egasi ya go say track and field ne bwete injury ekere bwete injury kwanya kunyora injury and for how long kwa berete isiko na kiwa korete ukaira na back to your high level performance.
I think injury ne ribori ndara nyora itara na nyora hip na nyora tendons hamstring knee kwasa video nere mwabeka gaiga no chinante beti nini gaiga na nare gotebwa nini ga itomyo geterire ya 4.1
yes
so kiro kwanda world relays kwanza na bwate injury ya MCL ya na yarenge buya so after abunganye kora rehab ka heal chuzi kiro dal komnyo ka nationals nganyora hamstring strain so ngorete game ya semis injuries alter one kubwati how you strengthen it physiotherapy ko genda then na kyo mix net training na kyo kubwati na kyo rabwana so it takes time like hamstring eko ira 6 weeks to heal uira ne fully say nini then yendo na amaru daivo na vile it takes at 2 years
ekero kwanya injury
yeri
okay
nero I think nero the worst injury ko ira ngora ko bwena yeah lakini ndobuna anything yenye muscle injury it's easier ko heal but joint sina kwanga tricky kidogo.
All right.